Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech and this is a speed test between the Honor 9N and the OPPO A3s. Now these are the specifications of both phones. Now these are the Antutu and Geekbench scores from both phones. Now for the speed test, I'll open the first 12 applications on both phones at the same time and you can see which phone is faster and how fast it exactly is. By the way guys, both phones are currently running the latest operating system and all the apps have been updated to the latest version. Now let's see how they perform. In the speed test, there isn't a huge difference between both phones, but for most of the applications, 9N was faster. So in the speed test, Honor 9N is the winner. Now for the memory management round, I'll clear all apps from memory, open the first 8 applications on both phones and then open them again in the reverse order to see if they are still in memory. Normally I use 12 applications for the memory management round, but OPPO A3s has just 2GB of RAM. So to make it a little bit fair, I'm gonna reduce the number of applications. So guys, memory management is good on both phones. OPPO A3s did a good job, but it just has 2GB of RAM. So comparatively, Honor 9N did a much better job. So in the memory management round, you can call it as a tie, but considering the price, I'll pick Honor 9N as the winner. Now for the final round, I'll open the last 4 games on both phones once again at the same time, and you can see which phone opens the games faster. While opening games, 9N was noticeably faster. So guys, on the whole, Honor 9N is definitely better than OPPO A3s in terms of speed test, memory management, even in terms of gaming. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What's your take on the speed test and memory management test of these phones? Do let me know by commenting below this video, and if you are planning to buy any of these phones, use the link in the description. It really helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.